guys, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe if you are not already, and I'm gonna try and make this video quick. It is on my inventory, which was what the highest poll was on my Insta story. In this first drawer, I just have my signature lashes, and let me show y'all them. Oops. These don't have the actual names of them because these are the ones customers order for wholesale. So when they order for wholesale, they would just get the lash tray by itself, and I put it in a mesh bag because on the back it has my Instagram and my business website. So I love these boxes. And then I got more down here. Down at the bottom, these are my mini lash books as well as my very large lash books. I have a lot of these mini lash books, but I only put a couple in here because I don't have room and I don't want to buy too many drawers. So I just keep this amount and only put a certain amount of my inventory out here. And when I have wholesale orders, I bring out my big boxes. In here, I just have my 25mm 3D mink lashes. I am trying to get rid of this because I have new styles I'm trying to bring, but I have to get rid of these first so I can bring in the new styles and the new casing, because this is just like regular generic casing. So I will be doing a sale on these. Down here is my boxes. I did have diamond and paper boxes, which I completely sold out of. This is the only holographic diamond box I have left. And these are just my empty signature lash cases. My boxes for when customers do order these lashes wholesale. Like I said, I remove the lashes from here and I keep the box. Because if you want the box and the lash, it's $10 on my site. But if you want just the lashes, they're $3 wholesale. So I take it out and then I save my boxes for when I order more of my signature styles to sell for my actual customers. I don't have to order more boxes. Down at the bottom, we have tweezers. I have 4 different colors and 4 different colors of tweezers at the moment. I plan to, get more and more in stock. But these are the 4 colors I have at the moment: pink, blue, black, and gold. I also have rose gold. And then down to this side, we have the hairpins. I still have some of them in the packaging, and then the rest I divided them into mesh bags because I sell a lot on hand. So when I am selling like at work and stuff, I just bring these mesh bags, which is divided, so when people purchase, they could just look through and be like, oh, I want this, oh, I want that. And then down here, I have mesh bags. Hairpins, and then as well as my backgrounds for my lashes. So my lashes, when you order wholesale, they come in the holographic, but now I have options to where you can choose the color background of your choice for a little extra. At the bottom, I have all my mesh bags. I have small, large, and then over in this drawer, I just have my bubble wrap for my shipments. I have business cards, I have flyers, and then these are for my pop-ups that I put those on the table. The next drawer is just my lip glosses, my stuff to make my lip glosses, my shea butter containers. Like, it's just containers and stuff for my lip gloss. And then down at the bottom, it's just business stuff. Like, this is Uline. It's a book where it's a company where you can order wholesale from, and like large stock of stuff. So that's why I order some stuff for my business. Like if you wanted boxes of stuff, they have it, large quantities, and when you purchase it, it ends up being cheaper in the long run. And I also have my this wrapper fell out of there. I also have my scale in there, scissors, all that stuff is all in this drawer. So now I'm gonna be right back and I'm gonna get some of my lashes to show you guys. Okay, so this is my wholesale lashes. All my lashes are wholesale, but the #1 seller are these because these lashes are only $2.50 each when you purchase at least 15. I have 9 different styles. They are not in the wrappers at the moment, so I've been putting them in the wrappers as I package my orders. I have a 50 lash order to do in a second when I'm done cleaning up and organizing. So I'm gonna have to put all those in the bag, and I'm gonna just end up putting all of them because I do have other orders. I'm not sure how many lashes each they ordered, but I know I for sure have a 50 lashes order. I didn't say that right. Y'all know what I mean. But anyways, I have 8 different lash styles, so if you're interested, it's only $2.50, and my shipping is only $5, and it's 2-day priority. So you're paying less than $3 for a lash. That's even cheaper than the beauty supply, because when I was buying lashes in the beauty supply, I was paying my favorite pair of lashes I always bought from there. I was spending $3 on them, $2.99. You're spending less than that. And all my customers resell their lashes for $8, $10, etc. But I do have more inventory, but I didn't want to make this video too long. Please like and subscribe to my channel. We have more videos to come. Thank you to everyone who's purchased from me, who's supported me, who's liked, who's reposted my stuff. I really, really appreciate it. And more videos to come. Thanks for watching.